नमस्ते, खुश रहो बिटिया। आई JVN डॉक्टर अशोक कुमार जैन, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ फैकल्टी ऑफ फिजियोथेरेपी एंड डायग्नोस्टिक फ्रॉम Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today's topic is patient positioning. Introduction. Important to know the various implications of patient positioning during surgery. Because of the various psychosocial effect it is exert on the system in the last 2 decades, never surgical technique developed due to advance in electronics in technology as a whole, better understanding of physiology. Goal of surgical positioning is to facilitate surgeon technical approach while balancing risk factor. All surgical position have position related risk. Physiological effect of change from vertical to horizontal position. Body response to alteration of position is due to gravity. Effect of gravity on blood and venous arterial pulmonary system, on pulmonary mechanism, on pulmonary perfusion. Effect position of supine position. Cardiac input on assuming supine position. Venous blood from lower body flow back to heart. Stretch atrial wall, stroke volume, blood pressure increase. Clinically normal BP observed. Supine position. Commonest position for the most of the surgeries. Care should be exercised to prevent injury to anesthetize patient. Lithotomy used in gynecology or urology procedure. Elevation of leg promote translocation of vascular volume centrally. Area supporting weight of leg prone for nerve injury. Leg supported at knee were suspended by strap. Lithotomy positioning fast. Nerve injury in lithotomy: peroneal nerve injury, saphenous nerve injury, femoral nerve injury, obturator nerve injury. Peroneal nerve injury: pressure of the head of the fibula by a bar or support structures, compress nerve. Saphenous nerve injury: pressure on the medial condyle of the tibia, compress nerve. Femoral nerve injury due to angulation of thigh such that inguinal ligament is stretched and compress nerve. Obturator nerve injury due to greater degree of thigh flexion, there is stretching of nerve as it exists of obturator foramen. Compartment syndrome in lower limb during lithotomy position. Long duration of lithotomy position, tightening of leg strap, dorsiflexion of ankle, surgeon leaning on suspended leg for leg duration. Upper limb injury during lithotomy position. Compartment syndrome of hand occur when head is stuck under the buttock and OR table. Extension of upper limb greater than 90 degree causes traction of brachial plexus. Chemical burn in lithotomy position rare. Fortunately, pulling of preparation of solution at buttock, lower back cause chemical burn. Lateral position: a pad placed under the head, arm perpendicular to torso, either on pillow or on over rest. Pillow between the leg, arm tape on the position, crack taken the tape doesn't not crease ulnar nerve, elbow or radial groove. High chest exposure in lateral position, arm capped in more anterior plane to body to prevent stretching or brachial plexus. Lower chest supported by axillary roll, support weight of thorax, prevent compression of shoulder and axilla, prevent brachial plexus injury in axilla. Palpate radial artery of dependent arm to ensure there is no compression. Lateral position with kidney bridge. The position is used to surgery on the kidney and ureter. Kidney bridge is elevated and this open up the retropelvic space for optimal exposure. Lateral oblique three quarters prone position used for exposure of posterior cranial fossa. Head rotated from supine to lateral. Head holder pin are insert. Upper leg is brought forward and flexed slightly. Lower leg is left straight. Auxiliary roll placed under chest to support weight of body. Lower shoulder brought to forward edge of bed or just slightly over it. Overarm placed downward near the side comfortably. Patient look like he is trying to look at the floor. Lateral oblique position. Problem lateral oblique position in obese patient. Difficulty in placing lower arm below torso. Cause considerable weight on humeral head and acromion. Lower breast can get compressed, pressure on nipple and areola. Extreme neck flexion cause cervical spinal cord hypoperfusion. ECG electrode can cause pressure necrosis. Prone position, lumbar laminectomy, spinal instrumentation, Staffy plating, Harrington rod, pilonidal sinus excision. Prone position problem. Careful positioning from supine position. Prevent pressure of abdomen. Prevent pressure on eyes. Pillow to rest the lower limb. Prevent pressure on male external genitalia. Tendelberg's position. Modification of supine position. Place head down along with the whole body. Advantage of this position. Move viscera cephalad. Helpful in lower abdominal surgery to increase venous return after spinal anesthesia, increase central blood volume to facilitate central vein cannulation, to minimize aspiration during regurgitation. Effect of Trendelenburg position: increase CVP, increase ICP, increase IOP, increase myocardial work, increase pulmonary venous pressure, decrease pulmonary complaint, decrease FRC, swelling of face, eyelid, congestive tongue, and observed in lung surgery. Reverse Trendelenburg position. This is the opposite of Trendelenburg position. This position place head end up and feet down. The position help in caudal movement of abdominal content. Used in upper abdomen, laparoscopic surgery, lab, gastric bandaging. Cause venous pooling in lower limb to prevent DVT stocking is a must. Jackknife position used for anal surgery, pilonidal sinus excision. Place patient prone with head feet at lower level. Knee chest position, further exaggeration of knee chest position used for sigmoidoscopic or lumbar laminectomy. Serve hypotension is seen due to pooling of blood in the leg. Orthopedic surgery position, orthopedic fracture table, Watson Jones. Body section to support head and thorax, sacral plate for pelvis, perineal post, adjusted foot plate, table maintain traction of the extremity, allow surgical fluoroscopic assays, anesthesia induced thin, then the patient are positioned on the table, arm on side place so that it will not interfere with the surgical access. Orthopedic surgery needed Watson Jones table, DHS with plate, shaft femur of interlocking interthoracic femur. Problem with this position, brachial plexus injury हो जाती है due to greater than 90 degree extension of the upper limb, lower extremity compartment syndrome due to long surgeries and compression, parental nerve injury due to pressure of the perineal post. Position of shoulder surgery, beach chair, barber chair या semi recumbent position. Provide both anterior posterior access to shoulder. Provide freely mobile upper limb. Endotracheal tube secure will to prevent accidental extubation. Sitting position, uh, Fowler position, better surgical exposure, less tissue retraction and damage, less bleeding, less cranial nerve damage, more complete resection of lesion, ready access to airway, chest by extremities. Modern monitoring give early warning of venous air embolism. Thank you. Now the talk of Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University. This is the first private women's university in the state of Rajasthan. Rajasthan. The university is situated in Jaipur, Rajasthan. The address of Ajmer Express Highway, Jobner Mehla Ring Road, uh, near Bagru. This university only for girls education, girl education, and the best university for the girls. Here is this university campus is a free campus for mobile. No, no one allowed to mobile. And here is this and here campus is green and clean. The university mass canteen is very hygienic, and the here is this supported staff, uh, teaching, non-teaching, and the university is situated a big hospital for Ayurveda, physiotherapy, homeopathic, and allopathy. Allopathy. His multiple courses is offered like a BMHS, BMS, physiotherapy, paramedical, BMLT, MLT, or agriculture, education B.Ed, B.Ed and B.Tech program is offered. And the university is a NAC accredited university, and 12B uh, is 12B certified university.